Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Yaris vs Fiat 500 full comparison. Watch closely as we compare handling, comfort, efficiency, and features. I'll walk you through the cabin space, fuel economy numbers, and typical costs so you can decide which compact car fits your lifestyle. Expect honest observations on ride comfort, technology, and daily usability. By the end, you'll have a clear, friendly summary to make an informed choice between these two small cars. I'll explain how performance and handling affect everyday driving and city maneuvers. We'll discuss acceleration, steering feedback, and how suspension tuning influences comfort versus sportiness. I'll point out typical braking behavior during emergency stops and highway merges, and note how weight and tire choice change responses. This section aims to help you feel confident about which car's driving character matches your priorities for fun, safety, and practicality on daily trips. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more content like this. Quick recommendation. On another note, make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers I've been using for trunk organization and quick lunches. They fit neatly and keep spills away while you test drive or commute, which is surprisingly handy. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab them if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Now I'll review interior comfort, cargo flexibility, and daily usability for routines like grocery runs and weekend trips. We'll cover seat comfort, rear passenger space, and how easy it is to load taller items. I'll compare cabin materials, visibility, and how infotainment layouts impact simple tasks like navigation and calls. This part helps you visualize real-life use and decide which compact car better suits your daily needs and comfort expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.